What does it mean to make a live broadcast happen? For viewers, it's as easy as sitting down and changing the channel. But for MSU broadcast operations, there's a little more to it than that.
I'm here at the north entrance to Davis-Wade Stadium, where many football fans come each season to watch their favorite team, the Mississippi State Bulldogs, compete in the SEC. And for those who aren't able to make it in person, they have to rely on live broadcasts. And what many people may not realize is that there are a lot of people working behind the scenes to make that a reality. Just behind me, past those windows, is where all the magic happens.
In our north broadcast hub, we call it, we do soccer, volleyball, men's and women's basketball, baseball, and softball all come through this facility.
Every aspect of a live sports broadcast has to be produced by someone, and if it's an MSU sporting event, it usually comes out of this control room.
It all revolves around the control room or the venue. So obviously at the venue you have camera operators, you have audio people, you have your talent, your stats people, stage managers, those are all at the venue. And then back in the control room to support what they do at the venue, you have your director, your producer, your graphics people, your replay people, and also your engineering group.
With all the different roles necessary for a live broadcast, it can take as few as 10 people or up to 35 depending on the sport. And that group is made up of freelance workers and student workers like Traquan Key.
I mean, it's very informative and it's a lot of fun. Working with Benny, working with Jonathan, working with Brian, working with Stephen. It's a lot of laughs, but we get a lot of stuff done. So that's a great part about working here.
Working for MSU broadcast operations provides a unique opportunity to enjoy sports as a fan and get paid while learning valuable skills.
I, grew up a Mississippi State fan. So I've always been interested, looking at the productions on TV, looking at the Jumbotron when I was young. I was always interested in knowing how did all that stuff work. So, learning it from firsthand experience, it's amazing, to be honest with you.
For students and staff alike, Super Bulldog Weekend presents a challenge as both the football and baseball teams play on Saturday.
Well, it is the busiest during the spring. There's nothing to compare to Super Bulldog Weekend because you've got multiple sports happening on the same day.
On top of that, the Diamond Dogs are expecting to draw a large crowd as they prepare for a top 6 matchup against their in-state rivals, the Ole Miss Rebels.
Man, Mississippi State sweeping them. Hey, that's the only answer right there, man, if you're a Mississippi State fan.
Despite the hectic nature of Super Bulldog Weekend, those working in broadcast ops know they have a job to do that makes all the work worth it.
Our job is really just to tell the story of the game. So we don't know what the outcome is going to be, but we do know that our job is to make sure that the story is told, whether it's good or bad, that we're there to document, the game.
For Take 30 News, I'm Ethan Foster.